Hi guys, we're back again to go over numbers 11 through 20 for Tuesday's math packet. And again, the front of it looks like that. Okay, sorry, yesterday I did not go over number 8. So those of you that were on number 8, it looks like this. Yeah, you can see that I marked J, because if you add Charlotte and Josh's pies together, that equals the 1 3/10. So all I did was take Josh and Avi and added those together. It did not equal 1 1/4. Avi and Charlotte did not equal 1 1/2, and Avi and Charlotte did not have the same pie. So that's how I got that one. Charlotte and Josh's did equal the 1 1/10. Okay. Now to today. Hang on, I gotta answer Kenzie's question. Yes. No, go outside. If you're going to throw the ball at the wall, you need to go outside. All right, guys. Yes. Number 11. Here we go. Adam spins a spinner 12 times. The results are shown in the bar graph below. What fraction of the spins were red or blue? Okay, so what I did first was count up how many times he got red. So he got red 6 times. How many times he got blue, which was 2, and how many times he got white, which was 4. Okay, your denominator is going to be 12 because that is how many times he spun over there, the wheel. And then you're going to add the red and the blue amounts together. So 6 plus 2 is 8. And you have 8/12. And we all know 8/12 is an improper fraction. So we need to reduce that or simplify it. And I'm going to reduce 8/12 by 2 because they are both even. And I get 4/6. And they're both even again. So I'm going to simplify by 2. And I get 2/3 or A. Number 12. Let me flip the paper here. The salsa recipe calls for 1/3 cup of onions, and you're going to multiply that recipe by 4. So you just need to do 1/3 times 4, and if you multiply those together, put 4 over 1, and then 1 times 4 is 4, 3 times 1 is 3, and now I have another improper fraction, so I need to switch that to a mixed number. 4 divided by 3. 3 goes into 4 one time, so that is my whole number. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract them to get my numerator, and my denominator stays the same. So it would be 1 1/3 or H.
Because of how the house is, so I have to have
Figure it out. Number 13. Lucida orders a turkey sandwich and 2 fruit cups. We need to figure out how much money she's going to spend, or at least figure out the expression. So we have 1 turkey sandwich for $4.50. We're going to add that to fruit cups, but she wants 2. So we're going to put that in parentheses because we need to multiply that first. And these are swapped in the answer, which is fine, which would be A. 450 plus 250 times 2 is A. Number 14, each student is going to donate 4 cans of food to the food bank, and there's 285 students. So we need to figure out how many cans that's going to be. So you'll take 285 times 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 2 is 34. 8 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11. So they donated 1,140. That is going to be J, because we know when we multiply them together, that is what our answer is. Moving on to 15. 15. Mr. I wants to join a gym. There is a $150 registration fee and a $28 monthly fee. He wants to figure out how much it's going to cost him per year. So we kind of do like we did on number 13. We take the $150 plus 28 times 12. And we're going to put that in parentheses because there's 12 months in a year and it's $28 a month. So your answer would have been D. Number 16. Melanie saves the same amount of money. After the 3rd week, she has $30, 5th week, $50, 7th week, $70. Which operation do you determine the amount that she will save in the 10th week? So if you look, obviously you're multiplying by 10 because 3 times 10 is 30, 4 times 10 is 40, 5 times 10 is 50. So that 10th week, we're going to multiply it by 10. She's going to have $100, and we just did H. Paper stuck. All right, number 17. We have a chart here, shows that the number 1 and then the 100, 2, 200, 3, 300, 4, 400, 5, 500. We need to figure out what the pattern is here, and they are multiplying by 100 is what I hope you said. So for 100 times 12, it would be 1,200, or C. 18 again, we need to figure out the pattern. So 1 times 9 is 9. 2 times 9 is 18, so that doesn't work. 9 minus 1 is 8, so that works. 10 minus 8 is 2, that works. 11 minus 8 is 3, so that works. So we are either subtracting by 8 here or adding by 8 here, correct? Let me flip the page over here so I can see what the actual answer is. So it wants to know the left column to find the numbers in the right column. So this is the left, this is the right. So we need to add 8 to get to the right, which would be F. Number 19, we have 1 truck with 2 wheels. If we have 2 trucks, we would have 12 wheels. 3 trucks would be 18 wheels. 4 trucks would be 24 wheels. And then 5 trucks equals 30 wheels. That graph looks to be like it is B. And finally, number 20. Tamara is 4 years younger than her brother, and we want to use B as her brother's age, and we want to figure out what expression. So if her brother and Tamara's 4 years younger, he should be minus 4. That would be our answer for G. All right, hope you guys enjoyed that lesson. I hope you got them all correct. We have one more day of these before our wonderful Edulastic review, and then there'll be a small quiz on Friday. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon. See you guys.